MAXIMA CAROMAX 800. This specialized drill is ideal for working with thin, fragile materials like marble, glass, and other delicate surfaces. During a demo, the CAROMAX 800 drilled a bottle with precision, operating at 6,400 RPM. This machine uses a range of bits that create holes up to 68 millimeters in diameter without causing cracks or chips. The standard package includes bit size 6, 8, and 10 millimeters, and it features water cooling for efficient, smooth drilling up to 6 centimeters deep. The CAROMAX 800 is priced at $2,045, offering a solution that merges precision with versatility. Imagine renovating and making your task look like a laser show. The BullseyeBore Core brings that to life, but in a functional way. It's more than just a fun tool. This laser guide acts as an alternative to bubble levels, projecting circles that help you drill straight, whether on walls or uneven surfaces. Choose between red or green laser circles for better visibility. This gadget, priced at $130, is a great gift for anyone looking to take their DIY skills to the next level. The OLFA KH1 Utility Knife embodies Japanese innovation, bringing durability and precision to everyday cutting. Known for pioneering the snap-off blade in 1956, OLFA's designs are inspired by simplicity, even taking cues from a chocolate bar for its iconic snap design. This KH1 model features a fiberglass-reinforced polymer body, and its 30 degrees rotating sheath makes for smooth, natural handling. It's a dependable choice for tasks ranging from construction to detailed cutting. Evo360 Mask offers top-tier respiratory protection, filtering up to 99.8% of particles while cooling your face with its unique airflow system. With a runtime of up to 18 hours, it includes 27 filters and a steel anti-spark mesh for added safety. Certified safe for explosive environments, the mask is ideal for heavy-duty jobs, shielding against vapors, gases, and dust. Weighing just 2 kilograms, it even features a removable visor film, much like a racing helmet. Price: $3,500. For drywall tasks, the Optimo automatic taper is a game changer, simplifying seam taping by applying tape, filling with putty, and cutting in one motion. This mechanical tool, priced at $1,225, is an all-time favorite among pros and DIYers alike. Also available are a $375 manual pump and a $340 smoothing tool, making drywalling a faster, cleaner, and more consistent process. The CtrlAX knife is a precision tool that's quickly becoming a DIY favorite, especially popular for intricate projects. Vibrating at up to 40,000 times per second, it effortlessly cuts materials like MDF, leather, acrylic, and even carbon fiber. The base kit includes 5 versatile blades, with the option to add 40 classic blades for more flexibility. This project, having raised over $300,000 on Kickstarter, is available starting at $49. Bringing high-tech cutting precision to creators worldwide. This is an impressive tool for anyone needing to inspect small or hard-to-reach spaces. This handy device features a flexible cable with a camera that lets you view the inside of engines or other mechanisms on a 4.5-inch IPS color screen, helping you make quick, informed decisions about the next steps. Equipped with 8 LED lights, the camera captures bright, clear images and videos, even in low-light areas. With a cable that bends up to 210 degrees, it's easy to maneuver. Plus, it comes with a 32 GB memory card, which can store up to 50 videos or 10,000 photos. And all these features come at a surprisingly affordable price of $104. Winkler Technic PDF system isn't about document files, but is designed for efficient underfloor heating installations. This tool makes it easy to apply insulation tape, especially for larger spaces over 6 square meters. One standout feature is the PDF EY tape, a 4mm thick tape that comes in a convenient 25-meter roll. It's easier to work with than traditional tubes, and the whole process is so straightforward you can manage it solo. While the cost is available upon request, the system is clearly built with simplicity and effectiveness in mind. Let's talk about the IQ VISE. It redefines versatility with its innovative design, going beyond a simple workbench tool. It holds your materials securely while also helping enhance your workspace. With its unique pin design, it offers 8 different working positions, creating a torque of 18 kilograms per meter, ideal for various projects. The IQ Connect feature even allows you to attach accessories like a magnifying glass, light, or phone holder. The jaws are rubberized, and with their grooves, they're perfect for gripping even pipes securely. The IQ VISE, available for $280, brings a new level of functionality and flexibility to any workshop. Wolfcraft Keyhole Saw is a compact yet effective tool perfect for cutting through drywall or plasterboard for installing outlets or switches. With a 5mm diameter and a unique tip that screws into the material like a self-tapping screw, this saw makes tricky jobs easy. Its 2-piece handle is designed for comfort, giving you full control over each cut. Measuring 275mm overall with a 175mm working length, it's practical and affordable at just $6. MINOVA 4-in-1 Foam Cutter is a versatile tool that excels in projects involving foam, XPS insulation, and even engraving. With 4 attachments, it's a go-to for various crafting and DIY tasks. A fully charged battery powers the cutter for up to an hour, and at just $370, it's lightweight and easy to handle. It comes with a 0.35mm wire and a desktop mount for stable cutting, making it ideal for precision work. Available at $50, this compact tool packs great functionality. For over 25 years, ALROC has specialized in tools for stripping and preparing cables of all types, from low to high voltage. The CWB 1244 tool, for example, makes removing the semiconducting screen smooth and easy, with a working diameter of 12 to 44mm and 0.1mm increments for precise adjustments. Then there's the CWB 1860, similar but made for different cable sizes, and the J1R1, which looks futuristic and handles diameters from 6 to 21mm, stripping insulation and sheathing effortlessly. These tools simplify tricky electrical jobs, making ALROC a trusted choice in the industry. Soldering iron brings a sleek, comfortable design and a fresh approach to soldering work. This device heats up in just 5 seconds, operates with a maximum power of 40 watts, and reaches temperatures from 180 to 480 degrees Celsius, all shown on a built-in OLED screen that can switch to Fahrenheit for convenience. The P system in this model offers precise temperature control, making it versatile for various projects. Weighing just 30 grams, the BAKON 210 Pro is extremely lightweight, making it an ideal, easy-to-handle tool at an affordable price of $59. System by Ballantine gear is crafted for professionals like roofers, cleaners, and satellite dish installers who need safe access to elevated areas. This system sets up in just 15 minutes, requiring no nails or screws, and supports up to 8 people with a weight capacity of 141 kilograms each. Tested rigorously by an ISO 17025 accredited lab, it ensures 100% full protection, enhancing worker safety and productivity. It's ideal for complex roofs with multiple slopes, and the increased convenience can reportedly improve productivity by 30%. Built for high-speed welding of various materials, often used for tasks like truck tarping, preparing advertising banners, and constructing tanks. This model can handle weld widths from 2 to 5 centimeters and can weld up to 20 meters in a minute, making it a powerful tool for large jobs. With adjustable temperatures ranging from 100 to 620 degrees Celsius, it's versatile enough for different types of welding work, including switching from overlap to tape welding with ease. Priced around $965, the variant 700 combines speed, flexibility, and high-quality performance. Elephant's Trunk 3 is an efficient backpack system for carrying garden tools up to 8 kilograms, excluding chainsaws. This convenient tool holder uses a steel cable to lift garden tools above shoulder height, making it easier to handle large tools without strain. Professional gardeners appreciate the convenience, and with over 10,000 units sold, it's clear the device is a hit. Priced affordably at $45.50, this product is great for reducing fatigue and increasing efficiency in garden work. The Interpac XA series air-driven hydraulic foot pumps offer ergonomic design and hands-free control, suitable for various industrial settings and railroad maintenance. The XA11 model is particularly lightweight at under 9 kilograms and delivers a maximum working pressure of 680 atmospheres, with tank capacities ranging from 1 to 2 liters. This series enables efficient hands-free operation and is valued by professionals in diverse industries. With a price of approximately $1,080, the XA11 model combines power with convenience, making tough jobs easier and more manageable. By the end of this decade, experts predict solar panels with a total capacity of 1 terawatt will be installed each year, a huge leap forward in clean energy. For installers, the Altrex Shuttle lift system makes the job easier. This system is designed specifically for solar panel handling, capable of moving 2 panels at once in just 10 seconds. It's easy to operate with just a drill and can handle loads of up to 60 kilograms. With a working height of 11.2 meters, the system is efficient and durable, priced at $6,300. CL1000 is one of the most powerful manual laser cleaning systems available, widely used in military and nuclear facilities. This tool, equipped with a 1 kilowatt beam source, is ideal for removing hazardous coatings, rust, and corrosion from metal surfaces. Unlike traditional methods, laser ablation doesn't heat up the parts being cleaned, making it both safe and eco-friendly. With its non-contact, environmentally conscious cleaning process, the CL1000 offers a unique solution for high-stakes cleaning needs. Pricing for this advanced system is provided upon request. Compact, versatile, and highly effective, the Makita Xsa11 offers 4 speeds and 5 nozzle attachments, making it great for various cleaning tasks like dusting, cobweb removal, and even debris clearing. At just 18 centimeters, it's perfect for tight spaces and reaches impressive air velocities up to 719 kilometers per hour, operating for up to 55 minutes on an 18V6 battery. This handy tool is priced at $194 without battery and is designed to handle jobs around the workshop or home with ease. The Whalen Tracker Knife is a robust and multi-purpose tool suited for hunting, survival, or bushcraft. Its innovative sheath allows it to be worn on the hip or carried behind the back for easy access. The blade is made from 65mm steel, a durable carbon alloy commonly used in car suspension springs. Measuring 29 centimeters in total, with a 15 centimeters blade and a fiberglass handle, this knife balances durability and usability. Priced at $75, it's a reliable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Woodworkers, meet the Arbortech Power Chisel, a versatile electric chisel designed for everything from groove carving to art projects. The set includes 7 chisels, 1 flat, 3 semicircular, and 3 V-shaped, operating at a frequency of up to 11,000 strokes per minute. One unique feature is that it only activates upon contact with wood, adding an extra layer of control. Whether you're working on furniture or sculptures, this chisel set is a game changer. Priced at $279 for the complete kit,